Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this simple video I will show you how you can easily deposit and withdraw money on IC markets. So what you want to do, and it's pretty straightforward, is just go here, and when you're going to try free demo or start free trading and you're going to be here in your account, you're going to have under account deposit, right? And here you can deposit funds, and you can easily have the fund now check out freely secure through the Visa MasterCard. And then you're gonna have the Skrill, and you're gonna have the Neteller or fund by wire transfer. So that's how you can do it. And you're gonna have the security funds, etc. And under deposit you're gonna have withdrawal. So here you're gonna have withdrawal method, how you want to withdraw money: China, UnionPay, bank transfer, or bank transfer local. And then you would choose a trade account, then bank account that you have, and how much you would like to withdraw. So we would find it right here, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.